What's the most expensive thing you purchased so far?
Actually, the most expensive things I've purchased so far is, let me say, my car. I was able to.
You got a new ride?
Yeah, in fact, this is the second ride I'm going to buy now. Almost like I pay in cash. Most, like I don't know, but that's most expensive for now. Do I apply getting a house now? But I just try to slow down a little bit. But I know you understand. Okay, let me do this because after this, I'm just doing stage by stage. But for now, my car, like Toyota Venza 2021, I'll be able to buy it like cash. So it's a good thing for me.
To buy a house?
Yes, that's my next plan now because the job is good. And thanks to Colaberry for giving me this opportunity to, and all the teams, all the crews in Colaberry, they are so helpful. Starting from Ali, Mika, my mentor, Ahmed, and Gibson, not Gibson, and Mahmoud, something like that. Yeah, all of them are there. They are really ready to help if you have one or two problems. So they'll help you that, okay, you can do this.